I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom.
Bring the action.
I've done that.
Fatty? Fatty? What do you think of your ride today?